Raju and Sheila represent our country's youth who aspire to build a good career.
मुझे लाइफ में आगे बढ़ना है, तरक्की करना है और अपने फैमिली को सपोर्ट करना है।
मुझे भी अपने लाइफ में बहुत कुछ करना है, फैमिली को भी सपोर्ट करना है।
क्या मैं अपने ख्वाब सच कर सकूंगा?
मैं क्या करूं ताकि अगले 3 साल में मुझे स्टेबल जॉब मिल जाए?
India's growth story has been phenomenal over the last 2 decades. The nation is seen as a land of hope by the entire world today. There is so much excitement all around. Entrepreneurship and employment opportunities are growing rapidly in this environment. Not just in the big cities, but in virtually every small town and district. For instance, the organized retail sector employs 3 lakh people today. This sector is expected to employ as many as 1,75 lakh people in the next 10 years. All sectors put together will create 32 crore new jobs over the next decade. However, there is a critical gap. A mammoth group of 32 crore youngsters like Raju and Sheila will seek relevant knowledge, skills and certification to seize these opportunities. But whom will they seek this from? Recognizing the massive scale of this gap, the government formed the National Skill Development Corporation. NSDC is addressing the growing need of skilled manpower in our country and, on the other hand, helping a youth acquire the desired skills. NSDC's mission is to facilitate training and sustainable livelihood for 15 crore youth by the year 2022. Future Sharp Skills Limited is a joint venture of NSDC and Future Group. The group, which created India's largest retail venture with stores such as Big Bazaar, Pantaloons, Central, E-Zone, Hometown and others. Future Sharp focuses on skill development training for a varied range of vocations. The company is setting up Future Sharp Skill Academies in virtually every district of India. Over the next 10 years, these academies will together train as many as 70 lakh people with Future Sharp's outstanding methodology and help them gain sustainable employment. Future Sharp's training methodology is recognized across industries for its excellence. And why not? After all, the company has collaborated with potential employers and leading brands to create its curriculum, teaching methods, and certification criteria. Here is how skill development takes place at Future Sharp. Its uniquely designed curriculum and expert trainers make classroom sessions lively and interactive, ensuring that participants acquire the desired knowledge. Similarly, the practical training labs aid in developing work-related skills. These skills are then polished during their on-the-job training. Thus, participants get a complete learning experience at Future Sharp. On completion of the course successfully, they are certified and ready to embark on a winning career. Future Sharp then uses its collaborations with leading organizations to help participants get jobs.
फ्यूचर शार्प है तो लाइफ बन जाए।
Thank you, Future Sharp Skill Academy.
Like Raju and Sheila, you too have an incredible and exciting opportunity. Join Future Sharp Skill Academy and make the most of it.